Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join the AUT Trading Discord server. First, it's important to understand what the server offers and to review its rules. Make sure you have an active Discord account set up and ready to go. Then, you'll need to find the official invitation link, which is usually available on their website or social media channels. This link is your gateway to the community. To find the invitation link, start by searching for the official AUT Trading website. Often, the link is prominently displayed there. You can also check their official social media pages, such as Twitter or YouTube, where they frequently share updates and the server invite. Always double-check that the link is legitimate to ensure you're joining the correct and secure server. Once you have the official invitation link, simply click on it. This action will typically open your Discord application or a web browser, prompting you to accept the invitation. After accepting, you'll be granted initial access to the server. Be prepared to complete any necessary verification steps, such as reading and agreeing to rules or passing a bot check, to gain full access to all channels. After successfully joining, take some time to navigate the server. Begin by reading the welcome messages and the full set of rules to understand the community guidelines. Then, explore the various trading channels, resources, and announcements available. Don't hesitate to introduce yourself in the general chat or a designated introduction channel to connect with other members and start your trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.